Aftermarket radio to Audi VW European factory coax cable powered amplified antenna. For select Volkswagen and Audi vehicles. Includes power wire for antenna booster. Can be used in place of 40-VW54. Metra 40-VW53 Aftermarket radio to factory antenna adapter for Volkswagen and Audi. Top reviews from the United States. It just works. With aftermarket parts like this, a part usually just works or it doesn't. Fortunately, this product does. It was the perfect part for my 2003 VW New Beetle. No instructions were really necessary. Just pop this little gizmo between the radio and the antenna, plus run the blue wire to plus 12 VDC and you're in business. Zero trouble. The product just plain works and does exactly what it's supposed to do.